guys, we're back with another slayage. Okay honey, so I'm gonna use this bleach by Clynol because I wanted to bleach my hair first. Obviously you have to get your hair to blonde first before dyeing it to another color. And I used the Blonde Me 12% peroxide, so that's 40 volume. And what you want to do, you just want to apply it onto the hair. I didn't show the whole process because I mean, like, it was so long, so I just showed you how I dyed one bundle in my frontal. So you just want to dye it, or you want to bleach it, and then you want to dye it. Okay, so this is how I bleach. So guys, I'm also going to show you how I laid this hair from start to finish. I'm not going to show you how I sewed it onto the wig cap, but I'm going to show you how I put it on my head. I mean, I always show that, but yeah, I like to show it because I love the process. By the way, this hair is from Lavyhair. I will leave all the details down below so you guys can check them out. It took the dye super good, like it was so good, and yeah, it's not dried at all after bleaching it and dyeing it, so I would recommend it 100%. So this is how the lace frontal looks like. It was super gorgeous, super nice, so soft. Yeah, I'm just gonna bleach it and then I'm gonna come back and show you how I dyed it. Okay, by the way, I also dyed the roots of the lace frontal, so I bleached it from the roots and yeah, properly. So yeah, I bleached the body part first, but you know what I mean. And then I went ahead and dyed the roots because the roots takes the color, takes the bleach so quick. So then I had to bleach the body part first and then go back and bleach the roots. So yeah, this is how it looks like after the whole shenanigans. Yeah, do it this way, then you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots on the lace frontal because this process also bleaches the knots on the lace frontal. So yeah, this is how it looks like after bleaching and all that. So it's basically like a number 27 kind of blonde. So yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and dye now. So these are the hair dye that I used. I used some adult hair dyes but in different colors. I'll list them down below so you guys can check them out, but I know I used the French cognac more, like about 5 bottles of French cognac, one is it sunrise and one something red, I don't know, I can't remember. I mixed 6 bottles in a container, that plastic container, with a little bit of conditioner, and I took 1 bottle of sunrise, just a little bit of sunrise and French cognac. I mixed it together with a lot of conditioner because that's what I wanted to apply on the roots because it's a little bit darker than the one I wanted to apply onto my bundle. So yeah, I just wanted that kind of shadow roots kind of feel, kind of vibe. So yeah, I like shadow roots. If you don't like it, then you don't have to do this process, but I like to do it. But you're gonna have to go ahead and dye the roots of your frontal also. If you don't like dyeing the roots of your frontal, then I suggest you just leave it black how it is. But I like that whole color thing, like the whole, I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, after dyeing the roots, I went ahead, I took the dye that I mixed in that plastic container, I applied it all over the hair, and I also applied this onto my bundles. So yeah, by the way, to dye your roots, if you don't want the color to stain your lace, you have to spray it with the go-to-be glue gel, like a lot of go-to-be gel on the lace, on the back side of the lace, so that it doesn't penetrate. So yeah, that really works, that method really works. I suggest you do that if you don't want to stain your lace because it doesn't look good when your lace is stained. Been there, done that, and it's not good. So yeah guys, you guys know how to dye your hair. It's pretty much easy. This is the bundles. Like yeah, I'm just applying some on my bundle and all that jazz. I just want to let you guys watch because this is self-explanatory. So guys, this is how the hair looks like when it's done. I did attach an elastic band, that's what I always do, because I want to be able to wear it without being glued, like glueless and all that. So yeah, it's super nice, this hair. I love it so much, and so many of you guys on Snapchat love it too. So yeah, you just want to go ahead and take your scissors and cut the excess lace, because you don't need that. Obviously you have to cut that out. So yeah, I don't know if you guys want me to, why am I asking if you want me to explain you guys like your hair with me? I'm crazy. Oh my god, this is crazy. But yeah, you just want to cut out the excess lace, and yeah, just be careful how you cut in it. If you can't do it on your head, just get someone to do it for you, or use the mannequin's head. In my previous video, I showed you guys how to cut it on the mannequin's head. It's super easy. You can do that if you don't have nobody to help you. But yeah, I find it easier to cut on my head because I like to see how it's gonna shape my head. So I came up with a method where I mix my got-to-be glue gel and the spray in a bowl, and then apply it onto my hairline, and it dries super fast and it's not messy. It's very clean. It's a very clean method because I like to apply my lace frontals after I apply my makeup. Okay, I lost that clip, so I don't know where it's gone, so I just kind of have to skip it. I think my camera wasn't recording when I was doing that process, so I'm gonna come with a video step by step how to do that. So yeah, now I'm just creating some baby hair. You don't have to do this process, but I like baby hair sometimes. I mean, like most of the time I like baby hairs, but not too much. When it's too much, it's just too much. Okay, so yeah, just a decent amount of baby hair is really nice and gorgeous. To give it more of a bouncy, wavy kind of curls, so I took my curling wand by Zoe Professional and added a few curls here and there. Then I used my fingers to run through my hair, and yeah. This is one of the best color I've ever tried so far. I love the outcome of it. The lace is laid to the guards. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video though. Let me know what you think of this color, and let me know what you think of this hair and all that. If you try it, then yeah, let me know as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate you guys so much, and yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye.